Today I'm going to unbox and review Letsfit IW1 smartwatch. Let's go! Let's go ahead and open it. But this is actually a really nice watch right here. There you go. First look right there. Pretty nice, looking good. Premium quality. It almost feels like an Apple Watch. I really like it. We have only one button on the side here just to, I guess, control everything. On top we have the screen, and on the bottom we have the sensors for, I guess, heart rate tracking, motion, sleep tracking, stuff like that, and also the charger slot down below. Yeah, there's no power brick, and it's just a USB charger like that. You just attach to the bottom, and it's magnetic, and you can just plug it in wherever you want. Easy peasy. So the price of the watch at the time of the recording is $38 on Amazon. 1.4-inch touchscreen smartwatch with blood oxygen saturation and heart rate monitor. So this one is actually IP68 waterproof. Smart notifications. Enjoy up to 30 days device standby time with just 2 hours of charging. Let's go ahead and take it for a spin. Wow, this is perfect for my wrist. Look at the size. So the app is, you can get it from the manual. The app is Letsfit, and I'm gonna install it. Now we select the watch that we are using. So we have the IW1, and oh, there's a Pro version as well, but we're gonna use this. Maybe, oh, that worked. Okay, the watch, pairing successful. Awesome. Look at the interface. I mean, look at that. The screen quality is amazing. Wow, this is really amazing quality for the screen for these cheap watches at this price. So this is the interface. I'm just not gonna look at the manual, so hopefully we can figure everything out here. So let's see. Okay, scroll. Yeah, scroll left. We have the apps, workout, today, blood oxygen, heart rate. Let's go workout. Oh, so you select your workout routine, outdoor run, indoor cycle. Nice. Let's try outdoor run. So the watch uses the GPS on my phone to track my running process. So I do confirm, outdoor run, and play. 3, 2, 1, and it actually track your movement and running and stuff like that. As you can see, the sensors are working. Okay, you press on the side and you can stop the activity right there. You can just select different types of activities. It has basically all of your needs included: swimming, yoga, free training, and stuff like that. I'm just gonna go back to the main menu. Okay, we have workout, and what is today? Today, oh, it just give you a summary of what did you do today, and I have 0 steps, so it counts the steps. And let's go, we go down. Sleep, no record of sleep, no record of workout, obviously. And that's just a report for the day that you are in at the moment. We have the heart rate. Let's try that. For the testing the heart rate, you actually need to have it on your wrist because it works with your bloodstream. I have to have it on my wrist. Oh yeah, as you can see, 88 beats per minute. I think the good range is between 80 to 100, I'm assuming, but as far as this watch goes, it shows that the heart rate monitor is working. All right, going back to blood oxygen. This is actually a good feature, especially during the COVID times, because COVID affects your blood oxygen. This watch actually gonna help you monitor your oxygen. Okay, so it's measuring right now. I'm just gonna put it on my wrist. I guess being high on oxygen is good. So 98% blood oxygen. So I guess I'm in a good level for blood oxygen, and you can retry it again. So going back to the menu again, we have more options. We have the breathing. I guess breathing, you want to try breathing for 1 minute. Oh, it shows you inhale, exhale. So if you're stressed out or something, you can try this mode just to relax and get more oxygen flowing in your bloodstream. Going back, we have the timer. Like any other timers on any phone you ever use, basically you put a timer. Okay, that's actually very handy and useful. I'm gonna use that a lot. When you go to the gym and you have the workouts for a minute, you just put a timer and that's it. Pretty useful features on this watch. So we have the smartwatch 2. Oh, a stopwatch. So stopwatch is just the regular stopwatch. Boom, and going back. One thing that I noticed, the touch screen is actually good and sensitive. I really like that it doesn't mistake my touches and actually do what I want. And also we have the alarm as well. Please add an alarm in the app. Okay, so you need to add an alarm in the app. I guess you can control it in the watch. Music control, one of the best features on any smartwatch. Okay, so we do the music control, play. Okay, so there's no speaker on this watch, so you can control the music on your phone. So if you have a headset, headphone, earbud, whatever, you can control it with this watch, and that is actually a pretty good feature to have on your smartwatch. Nice. And also the settings. We have general, okay, raise to wake. When you raise your hand, it will turn on the screen. Do not disturb, night mode. Okay, what is night mode? You just dim the light a little. And power saving, brightness, vibration, screen time off. So screen time off is pretty short at the moment. I'm just gonna put it at 15 for the sake of this video. Okay, did it work? Yeah, okay. And you go back with the menu button on the right. Watch face. Okay, this is what I was looking for actually. So watch face, we have the analog here, we have the digital, another analog, and just 3. Maybe we have more options in the app. I'm gonna look. I'm gonna go with the digital. If we go back and we go up, oh, it actually shows your messages. If you have any messages received on your phone, you can see them here as well. And if you go down, we have some of the quick settings here. We have the night mode, brightness, and raise hand function. I don't know, yeah, that one's a setting, and that's pretty much basic stuff. Okay, cool. So far I'm really loving this watch. The build quality is amazing. I mean, it looks like a premium watch, like an Apple Watch, but you only paid like $37 on Amazon, and the screen quality is amazing, packed with tons of features, oxygen, blood, heart rate monitor. So yeah, as far as the app goes, app it just pretty much shows your activity report and simple stuff. So basically most of the stuff that you're gonna need is on the watch itself. And this is one of the watch that I recommend you guys if you want to purchase something light. I had other watches, smart watches, I reviewed some of them on this channel, but this one I really like the style, quality, screen, touch sensitivity, stuff like that, and I'm really happy about it. I think I'm gonna use this regularly on a daily basis. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, make sure to like and subscribe, and leave your comment and your question in the comment section, and I will answer your question to the best of my knowledge. See you in the next video.